Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today I bring for you beautiful video of green color bedroom. So I hope you really like it. If you like, so please don't forget to comment me and press the bell icon and for all notification that my notification can get you first. So without wasting any time, so let's start the video. And how are you doing? So you can see the first picture, you can see green color wall, beautiful wall, and the two small windows and the big two windows, and the painting you can see, the floor you can see, bed you can see this also, you can see the cupboards and all, and the wall also green color, cupboards also green color, beautiful decoration, and the floor is white color, good design. And so also the 2-3 mirrors beautiful, the wall green color, the cupboards you can see is also in green color, the photo frame you can see beautiful. This also the chair is in green color, bed is in green color, green and black color, beautiful decoration and design. This one, the wall is in green color and everything is big scale. Cupboards is in white color. So also the wall is in green color, the plant is beautiful with the green color matching, very beautiful. And this one, the nothing is in green color but design is very beautiful. You can see the wall, white color wall, and the photo frame, the black color table. This one also you can see beautiful, the green color wall, and it is maybe VIP room, modern room, beautiful. This also modern room, you can see the wall, you can see green color, the bed you can see green color, the floor you can see wooden green color, the two. This also the black color wall, the bed green color, the door and the white color, the mirror you can see beautiful, the small plants you can see up there. So also too much beautiful plants are there, the window mirrors you can see beautiful. This is also modern VIP room, you can see the glass full shining, beautiful decoration design. It's also the wall blue, white color, the green color bed. It's also very beautiful, very aggressive. You can see the wall, green color wall, the bed is white and green color and silver color matching, beautiful matching. This is also the up lamp you can see inside the light, inside the lamp you can see on the table, and the green color wall color. This is also in green color wall, and the bed and the white color, the floor you can see wooden color theme, beautiful. This is also green color bed wall, and everything is beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please guys don't forget to comment me down, so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care.